Hello guys, happy Sunday. In this video, I am going to discuss VeChain. VeChain is a blockchain protocol that seeks to incentivize a network of computers to operate a platform, allowing businesses to build and run decentralized applications. So guys, if you are interested in this project, the current price of VET tokens is 0.0319 US dollars. So guys, if you have spare money, you can take advantage of this opportunity. So guys, VeChain is under real world asset. Yeah. So guys, I believe real world assets will do well in the next bull run. So you can take advantage if you can. This is not a financial advice. So guys, on this chart, VeChain is down in 24 hours, 1.92%. In 7 days, this project is down 3.59%. In 30 days, VeChain is down 34.40%. In 90 days, VeChain is down 23.70%. So guys, if you have coin market cap or coin gecko, you will click on markets. When you click on markets, you will see a list of crypto exchange where you can buy this project. So guys, if you click on news, you will see all detailed news about VeChain. If you click on yield, you will see platforms where you can stake these tokens. So guys, if you have Binance exchange, you can stake your VET tokens. So guys, the market cap of this project is 2.58 billion US dollars. So guys, if you want to view the website on CoinMarketCap, you will search for website. You click on website. So guys, this is the VeChain website, Web3 for better. So guys, if you click on start building, you can build your project on this platform. If you click on explore, you will get all detailed information about VeChain. You can download the white paper if you want to have an idea of what the project is all about. So guys, if you click on menu, you can click on enterprise. So guys, you will see enterprise partners. So guys, you will see enterprise partners. Real world adoption of blockchain technology is what we do. Consumers across the world use VeChain powered solutions on a daily basis. So guys, these are some of the partners. DHL, DIG, DNV. So guys, these are some of the partners of VeChain. If you click on explore, you can click on technology. So guys, when you click on technology, you get detailed information. Also, you will see low cost, fee delegation, fast, transaction lifestyle life cycle management, you will see clauses. So guys, this is the website of VeChain. So guys, if you have BitGet crypto exchange, you can buy VET tokens. You can buy VET tokens. So on BitGet exchange platform, you click on trade. When you click on trade, you can search for VET. Make sure you have USDT. So guys, if you have USDT like 5 USDT, 5 USDT will buy you 156.98 vet tokens. Yeah, so guys, if you like this video, subscribe, share and comment. Thanks for watching.